Kenya, acha, uno, mo, kiba, can't stop. Ooh, singer, me, grass, bounty, killer.
What's current with you? The song Drift. It has been doing very well. How did that song come about?
Well, Drift is a dance, honestly, created by Gabidan. And Gabidan reached out to me and I say, "Oh, why you bring this to life, Because music and art where you paint to people so them can get the true vision of it. So we stay and get the rhythm from Panda, DJ Panda. I was really the producer for the song, but DJ Mac of the street right now as a producer, some say, Mac produced the soccer. And I said, I would just create a chemistry as producer, artist, and just make it work.
And what is your reaction to all this,
Well, honestly, to be honest, it is my biggest reaction from doing music from them time till now. I swear, biggest reaction.
Is it something that you expected?
No.
Is there a particular reason?
Not really. Maybe just because me never feel like my style that I feel like I come out of my lane for that one day, but I don't know. It works same with the people them like it. Cause we have to try things when it come on to music.
Yeah.
Try new stuff.
Yeah. And I feel like this song will continue into the summer, but are you considering putting out any new tracks?
Yeah, well, right now I'm basically working on the I Am Chippy EP. If you look on the G them shirt, you notice them have on I Am Chippy. That is an EP, and Drift is already the #1 song on the EP. So, it's a bad EP, that big EP. Yeah, I Am Chippy.
Are you able to share any other details about the EP just yet?
Yeah, the EP it consists of 8 songs. We have some nice collab on it, some nice features with even our own same way where me consider as an international artist, same way Shaggy. I have Skilly Bang on the EP, same way. We can't really tell it who else, but it's gonna be a nice EP.
Yeah, and it's strictly dancehall?
Strictly dancehall.
Okay.
Yeah.
When are you looking to release?
Anytime July.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
And why did you think that that time would have been the perfect time to release it?
Well, to speak truth, Teejay career kind of have a buzz right now still. So I just feel like even though me have a bag of single out there, to put a body of work together just to travel international, it really make more sense because you can't tour with singles, you have to tour with an EP or an album. Yeah.
Okay, let's backtrack a little bit. When did you first realize that you wanted to do music?
Long time from the age of 6, been start do music. First song record at the age of 6.
What was the name of that song?
Something like I Know That Someone Is Watching Over Me or something like that, but a long time.
Yeah. In terms of your professional career though, what gave you that push to just go for it?
My kids, I have a lot of kids, so them always motivate me. Them are my inspiration, To go hard.
Yeah. How do you balance your career with fatherhood?
It kind of hard still, cause right now I promise my daughter so me I bring her go watch Little Mermaid or something like that. I'm actually check her so the movie theater sold out just so me can come right now. Wow. So it rough sometime. And I'm supposed to fly out tomorrow, so the promise they know. I actually have to go break it, so I say I go, but me I gonna make sure good same way.
But as best as possible, you try to show up for them.
Yeah,
right?
all the time. Sometimes, most times.
Okay, all right, fair enough. Your children, do they have a favorite song of yours?
Well, right now, them say I Drift, so I have to just work with that.
For right now? Okay, all right, not a problem.
Yeah.
What has your experience been like since, you started working with, Sharon Burke's Solid Agency?
Well, it is a great experience, all the time as an artist, I always have to manage myself, though.
Yeah.
So that shows I never really have a... You see me? I'm not going to say I never have a good manager. Would I be a wicked if me say that? Because you don't know a camp where I come from. A bad camp same way. Me give what is to see is the same way. But you know, working with Sharon, it good same way. I swear she Sharon kind of call you 4 o'clock in the morning and them thing there. But it's just to make better, and if you want better knows for run. So it's great working with Sharon. Yeah.
When you go to create new music, do you put pen to paper or do you just listen to the beat?
Just listen to the beat and vibe.
Yeah.
Just loan music I play, rhythm I play. We smoke, we drink, we laugh, we chat, and then we just sing whatever come to mind, But most of the time we try to make it reality so people can understand it, not just fairy tale.
Yeah, I was just about to ask you about that, your inspiration. But at the same time, I find that dancehall right now, it's kind of dark,
Yeah.
for use of a better word.
Mhm.
What is your thoughts, or what are your thoughts about
Well,
the scene right now?
honestly, me, TJ, still have to remember. I appear upon the scene 2018. 5 years ago that now. I understand and maintain a balance. I stay relevant same way. I have to stay in my own lane. Not because the other youth they must say this and that. Me if you come follow and do it. We still have people who believe in a rooted music and substance music same way. As I say, cause most of what go on in Jamaica, we not really hear you out in the world. Might get with sometime. Nah, go like get with 1 and 2 time, but when we go out in the world, at the nice music, them a play same way, the Wayne Wonder, the Sean Paul, the Shaggy, the this, the that. You know what? Yeah, we hear Skilly Bang, yeah, we hear two of the new artists them same way sometime, but not everywhere.
Yeah, facts. If you could collaborate with any of your local, counterparts, who would it be?
Anybody.
Anybody?
Any Jamaican artist.
Okay.
Yeah.
Have you ever reached out to anybody?
Enough time. But them seeing it same way. Some seeing it, some accept it. Yeah, but ego. Artist thing. Sometimes we have to just understand that. Say you did in the spot the way you feel like you're the pan top the bud. I still never deal with people, so if me can't do it, me just tell her say, yo bro, some me gonna listen to it or rare. If you're not happy, just not. But me never left an artist for seeing it. Yeah.
What do you think we can do to preserve the authentic dance, or the fun, authentic dance hall?
Just do what you can do. For real, you can't save it. And if you try, them are gonna crucify you. Look what them did to the man. Understand me? So you have to just do what you can do. But me still believe like united we stand, divided we fall. So if we not unite, dancehall not gonna rise.
Yeah.
Yeah, that me believe, Swear.
Okay. To switch things up a little bit, from time to time I visit your social media page. I noticed that you went to Dubai and you fell off a camel.
Yeah.
In Dubai. What was, that trip like? How was it?
It was a vibe. It was my lady birthday, so we enjoy ourselves.
Was that your
I
first time
experienced
there?
a lot of stuff. Yeah, first
It
time.
was? Okay. Yeah. What is your favorite country that you've been to?
Well, so far Jamaica is still my favorite country, but outside of Jamaica, I would say I have to talk about the country them who really love me and accept me. Somebody say Trinidad and Grenada. Them country there. Love TJ and St. Vincent. Love TJ. So my 3 favorite outside country that.
Is there any particular country that you're looking forward to visiting?
Africa and Japan very soon.
Very soon.
Yeah.
Are they confirmed or are you hoping?
Well, Drift actually take off in Japan right now. No, it actually they like something like I think 30 on the Japanese chart. So very soon. Africa tune in. So very soon.
And to backtrack a little bit to Drift, would you say that you're a big dancer?
No.
No.
Just a try a thing.
You're just trying a thing. So we can look forward to other songs that have complimentary dance moves. And we will see you.
Yeah, but remember if you track, if you do your research, Bitcoin was one of them songs the way you can dance to and well a vibe to, but Drift different. Understand? I just the vibe, I just the tempo. So maybe like how I find the craft, then I just know say, alright, give the people them more of that. You understand? Yeah.
Would you describe yourself as a DJ, a singer? How would you,
Well, I'm an entertainer, I entertain people. I'm not just an artist, I give people their money worth, When I come to your show, I just perform and have fun. So I would say TJ is a multifaceted artist.
Yes. Yeah. Besides the EP that you have coming up, do you have any live shows where your fans can go to see you?
Yeah, but I really want to give some date when I really, But I'll make you get the update on that.
Okay, not a problem. If you had to speak to your younger self, and this is 2018 TJ, right? When you're just starting, what would you say to him? No.
No brav so much again. Trust me, brav, Yeah, Gucci break my heart, so, Yeah, Gucci really break my heart and designer, as I say. But at least 2018 TJ is a militant youth, and I always think about the stuff them for my kids them. You see me? So I'm glad I buy land and them stuff there with my money. You understand me? I don't really care out my money and woman out my money and them liquor thing. Them buy land and them liquor thing there. So, yeah.
Yeah.
Would I just tell TJ, say, don't braff so hard again. But me braff, trust me, me braff.
Okay. I mean, why not?
Yeah, man.
And on the flip side, what advice would you give to emerging artists?
Well, just focus on yourself. Just believe in yourself. Find a good team who believe in you. And just promote your song them. Just promote your song them and sing good music. Don't feel like the 2-month music alone are gonna last. Sing music with substance. And just do what you have to do. Take care of you, take care of your friend them, take care of mommy. Build up some house. Do some things. Isn't it? Yeah, man. And just stay focused.
Sure. And to bring the curtains down, what would you like to say to your family, your fans, anybody?
Just go up on YouTube and go comment on Drift. Share the link, like it, comment. Because we have to believe in ourselves, we have to believe in each other. Mm-hmm. As we say, united, we stand divided, we stand fall. We have to love each other. You have to love people before you can love yourself. Embrace the song, embrace Drift. Embrace our Jamaican music. Feel the vibe. You understand me? Yeah, man.
Alrighty. Thank you so much.